How to generate documents. In this video, I will walk you through step-by-step on how to generate documents on the platform. First, click on the Generate button. After that, choose Curriculum, either CBC, Competence-Based Curriculum, or OBC, Outcome-Based Curriculum. In this video, I will choose CBC Form 1 to 4. After that, forms available will appear from which you can choose according to the grade you are teaching, Form 1 to 4. I will choose Form 2. After that, subjects will appear, then choose the subject you teach for which you want to generate the document for. After choosing the subject, the topics under the subject will appear, then select a topic you want to generate the document for. In this video, I will choose bonding after choosing the topic, then subtopics under that topic will appear, then choose the subtopic you want to focus on. In this video, I will choose chemical bonding. After that, the specific competences attached to the subtopic will appear, tick it, then choose the type of document you want to generate, either lesson plan, scheme of work, record of work, teaching notes, teaching module, test, EC Z-style exam paper, assignment, practical assessment. In this video, I will choose lesson plan. Once you click on lesson plan, the learning activities under the specific competence will appear. Then select the learning activities appropriately achievable to the time allocated for the period. In this video, I will choose all the learning activities here. After that, then fill in lesson plan details, such as name of school, name of the teacher, number of pupils in class, and date on which the lesson is to be taught. After that, you can click on Generate Without Teaching Guide or Generate with Teaching Guide. In this video, I will click on Generate Without Teaching Guide to generate the lesson plan. Give the system some few minutes to generate the document. After the document will be generated, go through it to ensure that it is correct. But 99% of the times the document will be correct. You can click on Word or PDF to download and save on your computer or save on the same system.